In the vast expanse of our universe, where mysteries lie beyond every twinkling star and nebula, nature often unveils wonders that leave our greatest minds spellbound. Some say the cosmos has tales to tell, stories more captivating than any penned by human hands. And perhaps, just perhaps, the James Webb Space Telescope is the lens through which we'll uncover these cosmic chronicles. The James Webb, awarded the chilling titles of both the most formidable and exorbitantly priced telescope ever crafted by mankind, has begun to earn its keep. Deep within the darkness of space, it's capturing sights so magnificent and unparalleled, they're sending shivers down the spines of the entire space consortium. Among its first revelations, a collection of 15 mesmerizing, almost otherworldly images. Venturing further into this odyssey, we find the ethereal image of Cassiopeia A supernova. The explosive deaths of stars are events that send cosmic ripples through space and time. Yet, what the James Webb has unveiled in the remnants of the Cassiopeia A supernova is simply staggering. Known colloquially as Cass A, this cataclysmic event took place roughly 340 years ago, according to the sacred scrolls of NASA. The James Webb's mid-infrared gaze into this celestial cataclysm offers a fresh perspective, challenging what we thought we knew about the cosmos. Several esteemed observatories, including the legendary Hubble Space Telescope and the enigmatic Chandra X-ray Observatory, had tried to pierce the mysteries of Cass A. But the James Webb's latest images are laden with arcane knowledge that astronomers are now scrambling to decipher. The significance: this supernova may unlock the arcane secrets of cosmic dust, the very building blocks that led to the creation of stars, planets, and perhaps the origins of life itself. Strange as it may seem, even the most archaic galaxies are shrouded in this primordial dust. Yet there lies a conundrum. The monumental quantities of this cosmic dust seen in the fledgling galaxies of yore doesn't align with our current understanding of supernova. With the power of the James Webb, scientists are now delving deeper into Cass A's dusty enigmas, trying to untangle the intricate tapestry of the universe. But hold fast, for our journey with the James Webb does not end in the far reaches of deep space. Instead, it brings us closer to home. The telescope, in its unmatched prowess, has delivered an arresting image of the enigmatic ice giant, Uranus. Detailed beyond belief, the portrayal reveals a majestic ring system, luminous moons, and an atmosphere in constant flux. An awe-inducing 11 out of Uranus's 13 known rings come alive in this image. Some shine so brilliantly, they merge into a celestial dance, leaving viewers breathless. Moreover, the telescope's near-infrared camera, a technological marvel christened NIRCam, has glimpsed 2 elusive dusty rings of Uranus, a sight previously reserved for the esteemed Voyager 2 during its legendary 1986 sojourn. That fabled expedition had portrayed Uranus as a dormant blue orb, void of distinguishing features. But now, with the James Webb, we see Uranus in its raw, unparalleled splendor. What secrets does it hold? Only time, and perhaps more revelations from the James Webb, will tell. As our odyssey continues, the latest revelations from the James Webb unveil an image of Uranus that has left the scientific community in stunned silence. Far from the static portrait previously known, the James Webb showcases a world of frenetic activity and transformation, painting a tapestry of swirling azure and gold. But how does this telescope, this oracle of the skies, produce such vivid depictions? The James Webb employs a masterful blend of 2 filters, manifesting as a dazzling ballet of blue and orange. And deep within this tableau lies a pulsating, icy cocktail of water, methane, and ammonia, swirling atop Uranus's enigmatic rocky heart. Picture, if you will, a pristine light blue snowball, nestled in the vast expanse of the universe. Yet Uranus is no ordinary planet. It stands as an eccentric maestro, its very axis skewed, rotating on its side, a staggering 90 degrees off its sunlit path. This cosmic quirk bestows upon Uranus dramatic seasons of perpetual day and endless night. Currently, the northern pole of the ice giant basks in the glory of its own spring. The James Webb's capture is one of unprecedented detail, shedding light on its brightening north polar ice cap, a vision never glimpsed even by the advanced eyes of the Keck Observatory. But hold your breath, for we plunge deeper into the cosmic abyss. The James Webb, with audacious curiosity, has turned its gaze upon a tumultuous region ominously named Pandora's Cluster. Echoing the ancient tale where Pandora unleashed chaos upon the world, one wonders if the James Webb has awakened something profound and terrifying. Over a century ago, the genius of Einstein predicted an astonishing phenomenon that James Webb would use to peer into this enigma, unveiling the clandestine dance of three colossal clusters, merging to birth a gargantuan mega-cluster of galaxies. With a staggering panorama illuminated by 50,000 sources of infrared light, the result is an image that delves deep into Pandora's cluster, situated an incomprehensible 3.5 billion light-years from our blue orb. The sheer depth and breadth of this image could very well rewrite the annals of galactic evolution. Amid this celestial marvel, a luminous star from our own Milky Way stands sentinel, its light fractured into radiant spokes, courtesy of the James Webb's intricate design. Enter Einstein once again. He foretold that colossal cosmic entities could warp space itself, akin to mighty weights distorting a rubber sheet. These warps, or gravitational lenses as they are known, bend and amplify light, granting James Webb a superlens to view galaxies lost to time and distance. This intriguing phenomenon also creates distortions, assisting astronomers in discerning the intricate dance of celestial bodies in the foreground and those lurking in the abyss. And if that wasn't enough to tantalize the senses, the James Webb has unveiled yet another masterpiece, an all-encompassing tapestry of the universe. In this sprawling canvas, myriad galaxies extend into infinity, occupying the same space as a mere 2% of our moon in the night sky. Among these, the faintest are elusive phantoms, a staggering billion times dimmer than what human eyes could ever perceive. Truly, this medium-deep wide-field image stands testament to the power and majesty of the James Webb and the boundless mysteries of our universe. Journeying further into the cosmic tapestry, the light from the most distant galaxies in our universe has embarked on a voyage that lasted nearly 13.5 billion years, finally reaching our line of sight. Imagine, if you will, a symphony of 8 harmonious colors of near-infrared light captured by James Webb's advanced NIRCam technology. This orchestra of light unveils ethereal objects and cosmic edifices that would remain invisible to the naked eye or even conventional optical instruments. Even the venerable Hubble Space Telescope and other ground-based watchtowers of the cosmos had not glimpsed the magnificence now presented before us. This groundbreaking research falls under the grandiose banner of the GTO program, specifically designated as Primer Extragalactic Areas for Rayonization and Lensing Science, or the evocative acronym PRLS. A distinguished member of this cosmic exploration team, also a seasoned professor with over 2 decades of space-related expertise, was left astounded. Never before had he witnessed an image of such grandeur and intricacy. In his words, the James Webb's majestic renditions surpassed even his most fervent dreams. These images not only satiate visual hunger, but also aid in calculating the density of galaxies emitting faint infrared rays and quantifying the sheer luminescence they produce. But the enigma does not end there. NASA, in its continued revelations, has bestowed upon us another visual masterpiece, depicting a celestial hourglass aflame. This portrayal focuses on the Dark Cloud Nebula, L1527, wherein lies a nascent protostar, an embryonic entity hinting at the birth of a new celestial body. This fledgling star, nestled about 460 light-years from us, is cocooned within an hourglass silhouette of cosmic matter. As it undergoes its primordial stages, it expels elements, casting radiant glows of orange and blue, carving out cavities that shimmer above and below it. The vibrant spectrum displayed is largely thanks to the infrared revelations of the L1527 Dark Cloud Nebula, located within the Taurus star-forming crucible, a spectacle made possible by the acute vision of James Webb's NIRCam. Webb's visionary captures do more than just appease our aesthetic senses. They are vaults of knowledge, offering insights into the very genesis and metamorphosis of stars. Mysterious, bubble-like silhouettes grace the image, reminiscent of stellar bursts, sporadic cosmic outbursts as NASA whimsically describes them. The kaleidoscope of colors, from the ethereal blues at the base to the warm oranges above, narrates a tale of varying dust density, revealing the protostar's infancy. This celestial infant, designated L1527, is but a mere 100,000 years young. Enveloped in a cosmic cocoon of dust and gas, it stands as a Class 0 protostar, an archetype in the early throes of stellar evolution. Yet, another riddle unfurls before us. The James Webb has discerned an enigmatic carbon-rich veil encircling a binary star system, a phenomenon vital for the genesis of stars and planets. The tableau presented to us showcases the binary star duo, Wolf-Rayet at 140. As if lifted from a celestial artist's palette, we witness shells of cosmic dust being cast into the infinite expanse from this binary dance. The pattern reveals a sequence of no less than 17 rings, reminiscent of tree rings, each telling tales of epochs gone by. These cosmic bands form and expand each time the stars in the binary system gravitate close, their winds intertwining in a cosmic tango, releasing shells into the great beyond. The rhythmic spacing of these rings suggests an event of celestial significance occurring with unerring regularity, once every 8 orbits. Counting these concentric rings, we bear witness to 130 years of cosmic history and dust formation. Plunging deeper into the cosmic narrative, the team found a beacon of assurance in their interpretation of the image, drawing parallels to the intricate geometric dust models. These models, meticulously crafted by Unodine, a prodigious doctoral student at the esteemed University of Cambridge, bore an uncanny resemblance to the team's findings, almost as if the stars themselves were aligning. The outermost shells observed, emanating from the binary star, have embarked on monumental journeys, covering distances more than 70,000 times the span between Earth and the Sun. With speeds that defy comprehension, around 6 million miles per hour, these shells journey across the vast interstellar expanse. Harnessing the unmatched prowess of James Webb's MIRI instrument, the researchers dissected the starlight, unveiling a tapestry of chemical signatures. Revelations abounded, for they discovered that the surrounding dust is not mere cosmic debris. Instead, it's woven with elements vital for the genesis of stars and celestial bodies. Yet, like many cosmic tales, mysteries lingered. The origin of this carbon-rich material remains an enigma. But with every unraveling thread, insights emerge. The researchers now believe that LUR binaries may very well be the alchemical cauldrons, churning out carbon compounds that enrich not only our galaxy, but also galaxies that lie beyond our cosmic neighborhood. But the James Webb's revelations do not remain confined to the distant cosmos. Once again, its gaze shifts closer to home, revealing facets of the gas giant Neptune that were hitherto unseen. This latest portrayal of Neptune showcases the ice giant's enigmatic rings and elusive dust bands with breathtaking detail, a view that rivals those captured by the Voyager 2 spacecraft during its historic 1989 flyby. For those who have glimpsed Neptune through Voyager's eyes, this new sight might stir intrigue. The planet's signature bright blue, a hue etched into cosmic memory, is conspicuously absent. The riddle finds its solution in James Webb's NIRCam. While methane gas paints Neptune blue in optical wavelengths, in the near-infrared realm, this gas swallows red and infrared light, casting shadows upon the giant. Yet, amidst this somber backdrop, Triton, Neptune's largest moon, shines resplendently, reflecting almost 70% of the sun's rays due to its nitrogen ice cloak. Rumors whisper of a hidden ocean beneath Triton's icy facade, fueling speculations for the upcoming Trident mission, poised to explore its mysteries. But the James Webb story doesn't end with serene portraits of planets. Instead, it transitions to a dramatic cosmic ballet, capturing the very moment the dared spacecraft met its destiny, colliding with an asteroid. Both the James Webb and its astronomical compatriot, the Hubble Space Telescope, bore witness to this celestial dance. These two cosmic behemoths captured the aftermath of NASA's audacious DART mission, a pivotal moment in humanity's first successful attempt to nudge an asteroid off its course. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART for short, had a singular mission: to determine if a potential cosmic threat, an asteroid or comet, could be deflected should it dare to threaten our blue planet. As the final act of this cosmic drama unfurled, millions across our world watched, united in awe and wonder. Both the James Webb and Hubble chronicled this celestial event, before and after the climactic collision, bestowing upon humanity a treasure trove of scientific data and a new perspective on our place amidst the stars. Delving into the aftermath of DART's celestial dance with its target, the James Webb, with unwavering focus, maintained its watch over the site of impact. Not content with merely capturing the cataclysmic moment, the Space Telescope kept its vigilant eye on the subsequent reverberations that played out over the canvas of space. The images that emerged bore witness to a radiant core, shining amidst the chaos, surrounded by ethereal tendrils, wisps, and plumes of matter that had been violently cast away from the point of collision. Those who gazed upon the images might have been intrigued by 8 striking points, emanating like rays from the sun. These are not ordinary streaks, but are diffraction spikes, a consequence of James Webb's intricate mirror structure. Anticipating this cosmic rendezvous, the dedicated team behind the Webb had committed weeks, if not more, to the Herculean task of tracking an asteroid that dared to challenge the boundaries of the Space Telescope's known capacities, moving at a pace 3 times its original speed threshold. And the story is far from over. The enigmatic asteroid will remain under the James Webb scrutiny in the days to come, with instruments like NIRI and NIRSpec taking the lead. However, amidst this interstellar drama, the James Webb was not one to limit its scope. Far from it. It turned its gaze to a target that, while named Tarantula, was not a creature of our world, but a sprawling star-forming region in the vastness of space. This spectacular view of the Tarantula Nebula, formerly addressed as 30 Doradus, brought forth details hitherto unseen. Thousands of nascent stars, previously hidden in this cosmic cradle, now lay exposed to our eyes. The exquisite detail, reminiscent of the intricate weaving of a tarantula's lair, is one of many visual symphonies released by the James Webb since its grand debut on Christmas Day of 2021. This stellar nursery, resplendent in its glory, and located a staggering 161,000 light-years away in the Large Magellanic Cloud, is a beacon for astronomers. Its unique composition offers a time machine of sorts, providing glimpses into the star-crafting epochs of a younger universe. Yet, the tapestry of the cosmos has more tales to tell. The James Webb has bestowed upon us an image of what can only be described as a celestial masterpiece. The galaxy named M74, which wears the moniker of the Phantom Galaxy, unfurls in the vastness like a delicate seashell crafted by the gods. This ethereal entity, residing in the constellation Pisces, and approximately 32 million light-years from our home, presents a mesmerizing spiral believed to follow the mystical Fibonacci sequence. With James Webb's unparalleled vision, the intricate fabric of gas and dust that constitutes M74's majestic arms stands revealed. Amidst this grand design, a peculiar absence of gas in its core affords a crystal-clear view of the nuclear star cluster at the galaxy's heart. This breathtaking imagery, courtesy of James Webb's mid-infrared instrument, becomes a cornerstone of the ambitious FANG survey. This endeavor seeks to unravel the mysteries of star birth, gauge the essence of star clusters, and understand the ethereal dust grains that float in the interstellar expanse. Yet there is more. A subsequent revelation from the James Webb showcased the enigmatic Cartwheel Galaxy. This image, unlike any before, promises to deepen our understanding of this peculiar cosmic wheel, spinning tales of stars and space. In the vast expanse of our universe, the Cartwheel Galaxy beckons, a spectacle that stands 500 million light-years away from our home planet. What might appear as a chaotic tapestry of cosmic forces and dust, to the uninitiated tells a deeper story to those who dare to look closer. Concealed within its form is a tale of violence and transformation. The structure, reminiscent of a wagon wheel, wasn't always so. It bears the scars of a cataclysmic collision between itself, once a majestic spiral galaxy akin to our Milky Way, and a smaller, now hidden intruder. This celestial impact at the very heart of the Cartwheel Galaxy birthed two distinct rings radiating from its center. The innermost circle is a cauldron of warmth, birthing stars and cloaked in hot dust, while its outer sibling is the playground of newborn stars and the final acts of stars gone supernova. And if one looks closely, traces of the galaxy's original spiral grandeur still persist, faint but undying. To the Cartwheel Galaxy's left, smaller companion galaxies linger, with an even more expansive backdrop teeming with galaxies. While the revered Hubble Space Telescope had previously offered glimpses into the Cartwheel Galaxy, it is the infrared prowess of the James Webb that illuminates stars previously shrouded in mystery, stars that come alive in infrared, revealing themselves from behind the veil of dust. Our celestial journey does not end here. Next, we turn our gaze to the familiar giant of our solar system, Jupiter. The James Webb, with its unmatched capabilities, has painted Jupiter in a light unlike any we've ever seen. A pair of composite images depict the gas giant in all its glory, its elusive auroras circling the poles and its moons playing sentinel. Not just one, but two of Jupiter's moons make an appearance. The bright point named Hamilton to the far left and Adrasta at the very edge of Jupiter's rings. Interestingly, the faint glimmers in the backdrop, easily mistaken as stars, could very well be distant galaxies. These images, though, come with a caveat. James Webb's vision, attuned to the infrared spectrum, paints Jupiter in shades that deviate from our familiar perspective. Thus, the colors rendered are more of an artistic interpretation, a translation from the infrared to the visible spectrum, making them not a reflection of true color, but rather a false color masterpiece. Our interstellar expedition takes another intriguing turn with the Southern Ring Nebula. This object, approximately 2,000 light-years away in the constellation of Vela, challenged our assumptions with its James Webb-captured grandeur. The nebula, birthed from the dramatic demise of a star a billion years past, offers an intricate tale of a red giant's eventual implosion, giving rise to what we know as planetary nebulas. From here, our sights set upon Stephan's Quintet, a gathering of galaxies located a staggering 290 million light-years away in the constellation Pegasus. Through the sharp eyes of the James Webb, a rich tapestry of young star clusters and bursts of stelliferous activity is unveiled. Yet not all is as it seems. Of the 5 galaxies in the quintet, only 4 are gravitationally bound, with NGC 7320 standing apart, closer to our Earth. Finally, the mesmerizing Carina Nebula beckons. Residing approximately 7,600 light-years away in the constellation Carina, this cosmic cloud has been a favorite amongst celestial observers. The James Webb's lens, capturing in the infrared spectrum, showcases the nebula like never before, towering pillars of gas and dust, stretching about 7 light-years into the void, sculpted by the fierce radiation and stellar winds from the young, fiery stars within. As we journey through the cosmos, each discovery only deepens our intrigue. Enjoy the ride. Give this video a like. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't miss our next stellar adventure. Hit subscribe. Let's explore the universe together.